If you want to add language to keyboard on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings. There we go. Now we're gonna scroll down over here in order to find General Management. And then over here we can choose Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next we can go to Languages and Types, then choose Manage Input Languages. And now we have the list of all supported languages. If you want to add a language, you can just tap on the switcher on the right side. And there we go. Of course, we can disable old languages if you don't want to use them anymore. And if you use more than one language, then over here we can also choose the language switching method, where we have language key and spacebar swipe, or we can use one of these two methods only. So if you open the keyboard, we have this globe icon or a language key, and if you tap on it, you can see on the spacebar the current language. And we can swipe like this, as you can see over here, to change the language as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.